Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to hide Task View button on Windows 11 taskbar using Registry Editor. Task View button is a task switcher and virtual desktop system that was first introduced in Windows 10 and is among the first features new to Windows 10. Task View button is still available in Windows 11 that allows user to quickly locate and open window, quickly hide all windows and show the desktop, and to manage windows across multiple monitors or virtual desktop. You can click on this one task view button to see the opened applications, and you can also switch between virtual desktops to enable or disable using registry editor. First click on this one start button, and here type res edit. In the search results, click on this one registry editor entry. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. Once registry editor opens, all you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to this one advanced key in the left sidebar. On the right, you need to find out show task view button. This one res debug. Just select it and double click on it. To disable task view button, all you need to set here value data 0, and then click on this on OK button. And in case you want to show task view button, you need to set here value data 1. 0 will hide and 1 will show the task view button on the Windows 11 taskbar. After this one changes, click on this one OK button to apply the changes, and you will find that task view button is immediately removed from Windows 11 taskbar in case you put here value data 0. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye. See you in the next video.